How to hide Instagram app on Android device. To hide Instagram app on Android, head to the settings. Scroll down. Now navigate to privacy. Select privacy option. Tap hide apps option and make sure you enter your privacy password. And then you will reach on hide apps section where you will see all your application listed on your Android device. Scroll down. Locate Instagram, toggle on the button for Instagram. When you select hidden, Instagram will be listed here. That means we have successfully hidden Instagram app from our Android home screen. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.